How a battery-powered nail gun operates. Short answer, with a loud bang. That's at 240 frames per second. We've recorded even slower video, on the verge of what a flagship smartphone can do. But that is still too slow to see the details of a nail gun operation. So, here is this clip slowed 5 times more. Now, how the battery-powered nail gun operates. The nails are pushed using a special metal rod that has flanges at its lower half. This rod is called nail driver. When a user presses the trigger, the electronics of the nail gun start spinning the brushless motor. The motor of the nail gun is turned inside out, the rotor is the outer rim of the motor. This rim is a heavy metal piece to gain great rotational energy. The rim has grooves for the nail driver's flanges to slide. When the nail gun is pressed into the wood, a pusher on its nose presses a button. When this button is pressed, the electronics sends a powerful impulse of current into the electromagnet. The magnet pulls carriage assembly that has a roller. When moved back, the roller pushes the nail driver down into the motor. The friction force allows for the motor to transfer its energy and shoot the driver forward in a fraction of a second. At this moment the electromagnet is disabled, the roller does not press the nail driver into the motor. The nail driver is free and is returned to its start position under the force of 2 springs. The nail gun is ready for the next nail to be shoved into the wood. Other types of nail guns exist, pneumatic and internal combustion. Instead of the energy of the heavy spinning metal rim they use the power of compressed gas. The pneumatic receive the compressed gas, which is air, via the feed pipe. The combustion nail guns use flammable gas, which is ignited inside the combustion cylinder. The ignited hot gas trapped within a small volume creates great pressure to push the nail driver. Thanks for watching. If you are still here, please subscribe to the channel. And share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think on this topic? Was it worth the time?